Tanzanian heart experts offering free services to patients with cardiac conditions at Queen Elizabeth Central Hospital in Blantyre. Heart experts from Tanzania are in the country offering free services to patients with cardiac conditions at the Queen Elizabeth Central Hospital in Blantyre. Meanwhile, authorities at the Queen Elizabeth Central Hospital have disclosed that each of the country's referral hospitals receives about 40 patients with cardiac conditions every week. Details in this report by Telson Magombo, read by Chisomu Break.
According to pediatric cardiologist with the Queen Elizabeth Central Hospital, Associate Professor Yamikani Chimalizeni, the number of people who present with cardiac conditions across the country is high. Chimalizeni, who is also an Associate Professor of Pediatrics with the Kamuzu University of Health Sciences, says the coming of the experts presents a rare chance to those in need in the country.
What we want to do is to screen patients, those that have got cardiac diseases, and identify those that require surgery or any other intervention, so that we can plan for further management and possibly send them to Tanzania for surgical or any other intervention. I'll talk about children. They would have assessment by a clinician. They have what we call an ECG to look at the electrical activity of the heart, and then they'll have a scan of the heart. And then from those two investigations, we're able to tell whether a patient needs surgery, and then advise the parents about it. If they don't need surgery, then we prescribe medication. If they need medication, or just counsel the parents, depending on what the condition we are going to find from those assessments.
In her remarks, one of the visiting experts, Dr. Stella Mongera, said the initiative is further providing a platform for them to share notes with their Malawian counterparts.
Cardiac Institute in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania has been giving heart services to Tanzanians since 2008. So we have now been able to expand our services to be able to also serve the people of Malawi. We are the only public institute that gives quality cardiac services in Eastern and Central Africa, and we are very privileged to be able to come to Malawi, to be able to screen patients here, and to be able to advise on those who would benefit from heart treatment in Tanzania. So we are very grateful. This is an opportunity for us to learn from our colleagues here in Malawi, to see what kind of patients are here with different heart diseases, and to see how these patients are treated here. And we look forward to our colleagues here also learning from us to know how we treat patients with heart diseases in both our resource-limited settings.
Their visit is part of government's efforts in ensuring that people in the country have access to quality health care. The heart experts will continue providing their services at Queen's for free until the end of this week.